Hello, my name is Mohammed. It is time for Researcher Jukan. In this program, we introduce the researchers all over the university. Today's our researcher is Mohammad Shekandar Ali from Sher-e-Bangla Agricultural University. Nice to meet you. So let's start the interview. First of all, could you tell me what kind of research do you mainly focus on?
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Johid. I am an agriculturist, then I am an agriculture extensionist. I mainly conduct research and social sciences related to agriculture.
Why do you focus on the research?
I want to find out the social problems. I want to find out the adoption of innovations. I want to find out the impact of innovations. So I would like to conduct such types of research.
How do you carry out the research?
In social research, mainly it is conducted on primary data, and primary data is collected from the farmers by interview method with the help of interview schedule. After collecting data, it is compiled, tabulated and analyzed in accordance with the objective of the study. Then findings may come.
What is your motivation towards the research?
After this research, the social problems maybe comes, and some studies may be the outcome. After the findings, it will be helpful to the future academicians, researchers, learners to plan in future.
What kind of resources can you give to other researchers?
I can provide social research knowledge, techniques to others.
Could you tell me more about this?
In my department, I have 12 colleagues, and in my university, I have 128 colleagues. Our departmental 12 colleagues are very cooperative each other. I have conducted already 19 researches, and at present time I am conducting 3 research projects. So, and I am offering research methodology and statistics and agricultural extension research to the MS course. So, I have the confidence that I can provide knowledge of social sciences.
Very nice. Is there any other resources you can give?
We have a library. I have internet facilities, so I can help to search previous knowledge.
Is that all of your resources?
It is not all. I have another facilities, as because it is a university. There are 17 departments in our university. There is economical subjects and crop science subject. They are conducting research also. We can conduct research collaboratively.
Nice. What kind of research are you going to plan in the future?
I am going to conduct research on adoption, use of innovation, impact of innovation, effect of use of technology gap, yield gap, problem faced by the farmers in using a technology, etc.
That's interesting. Could you explain it more?
Yeah. In our country now, ecological agriculture is an important issue. Ecological agriculture means agricultural practice without using any chemical like chemical fertilizers and pesticides, but it is very difficult to adopt. Farmer cannot adopt this as because the large farmer use too much pesticide in their field, so they cannot use this properly. So if I can find the problems of using ecological agriculture and the benefits derived from ecological agriculture, that will be obviously helpful to the future researchers, academicians, farmers also.
Very nice. What makes you to do the research?
I am an agriculturist. Then I have conducted my MSc degree in agriculture extension. It is an applied social science. Intentionally, I want to conduct research. Besides this, I am a university teacher. A university teacher has mainly two work. One is teaching, another is research. From this concept and intentionally, I am going to conduct research.
What will happen if you complete the research in the future?
From my findings, future researchers will be benefited, my students will be benefited, and future academicians, policymakers will use these findings and they can be able to make decisions on some related matters.
What kind of resources do you want to take from other researchers?
If I got knowledge, techniques, funds from other research institutions, that will be helpful to me to conduct future researches.
Let me focus a little more about this.
Sher-e-Bangla Agricultural University was previously called as Bangladesh Agricultural University. Now it is a university. It has 17 departments, but it is not rich in equipments. But there is a knowledgeable person. If I got required fund, I can conduct very large research projects, and in Bangladesh there is an opportunity to conduct many social research on many topics. So fund is a great problem for the Bangladeshi researchers. So I need.
Is there any other resources you need?
Yeah, some crop science researchers like horticulture researchers, agronomic researchers, research on soil science, research on entomology, pathology, and economic researches also going on in this university.
Very nice. Could you carry out your future research with impact of agricultural innovation?
Obviously, I shall carry out my research impact of agricultural innovation. Presently, I have 3 research work. 2 is research project, and another is my PhD research work. And PhD research work will finish within February 2008, and that is on adoption of ecological agricultural practices by the farmers. And 2 research projects are like this: performance of poultry, chicks and feeds of different companies of Bangladesh at farmers' field condition, and secondly, effect of using chemicals and hormones in cultivating and marketing of vegetables and bananas.
Okay, it is time to finish. Today's researcher was Mr. Muhammad Sekandar Ali. Thank you very much again. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Mohammed. Thank you.